What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. So today's video, I got to test brown coat. Man. I told y'all I got some big collab coming. If you're in the BCG Hangout, y'all already know what the collabs is. But I got some big collab coming, man. I tested R&B, so it's good. So now I still ain't got the transmission, man. I still ain't got the transmission done, so I mean, at this point, it is what it is. I gotta roll without it. It still can drive, but it still ain't shifting like it should, so it's gonna affect the testing. But I have not thoroughly tested with the draggy to see how much it's gonna affect the ET. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I just ain't been driving the car. Like I said, it does shift funny. It shift crazy, man. Y'all know it manual valve body now too, but it shift crazy. But we got to get some testing, and y'all gonna see it all gonna make sense, man. When y'all see my collabs and all that, it all gonna make sense while I'm doing what I'm doing. And I'm about to call and get an update on Dolo engine, man. I got to see what's going on. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. What I've been thinking about doing, I've been thinking about putting me another combo, and it really ain't a thought at this point. And when I'm gonna do it, nobody know. The BCG Hangout, y'all know, cause it's gonna be one of them behind the scene things I do. But I'm thinking about specing me another combo, doing me another engine for this car. So if something like this happen, I'll never start rolling, man. Cause y'all know this what I do. I mean, I gotta keep my content rolling. So if something like this happen, then I won't be down no more than 2 weeks. Right now it's been about 2 weeks. But I don't like to be down no more than 3 weeks. I know sometimes it's out of my control. This and that, I understand that. I am an understanding person. But if I spec me another engine, hey, when I was taking that one out, I've been putting my other one in. Now, hey, it'll probably be a step down. I probably spec me something a step down from what I spec, what Dolo running right now. But the point is, I'm probably gonna spec me another engine and get me another one built, and then I'm gonna have it on reserve. So I never have to sit still. At least with the conventional stuff, I never have to sit still. And I'll probably do the same for all of them, man. I'm probably gonna have a spare engine for R&B, which actually would be a little more pepped up than the one that's in there. And I'm gonna have a spare engine for Dolo, especially for Dolo, cause I rump on it, man. I mean, so that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. Now I got some big plan for that. Over there. I'm in the midst of possibly making a move. Just stay tuned. That's all I can tell you. Just stay tuned. So I'm about to get the Escalade move. I'm gonna hook the draggy up. We got to get some TNT. Some thorough TNT. I'm probably gonna make about 3 laps, cause I got to get this done, man. I got 2 days. I have 2 days. I done shook everything down. John Jones good. Cause y'all know when I took them for a ride, that was all the testing I needed right there. So John Jones is good. So boom, check. This one I don't know. I said it got a iffy transmission, but I'm about to see what it do, man. If I break it, I break it. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm about to do though, not only have a spare engine, I'm thinking about having spare transmission for all these cars, man. Especially when I get my shop done and I'm really getting at the point where I'm about to just go and cash out and skin down and get it. So I can put all my stuff out of the garage and I can have all these spare parts, my spare engines and my spare transmission, cause I can't start running, man. I can't start running. I got a lot of cars, but when it get like this, it like, look at this. I got all these cars. I'm down to 2. That's fully operational. And it happens, man. It just happens like that. It's just transmission right there. Meats ain't got to get put together, but it's still waiting on the transmission for meats, cause I got to get the bell housing. Dolo looked catastrophic. It had transmission problem, but then the engine, due to the transmission problem, the engine got a problem. So now it's down. So now I'm down to just these two. So it happens, man. Stuff can happen like that. So that's why I said, man. I mean, I guess I need 6, y'all. I guess we need to buy another car. I might buy another car. I might just buy another car to add to the fleet, man. I might end up having 10 cars. You know what? I might do it. I might have 10 cars, man. Especially when I get that shop up, I might have 10 old school, everything running. Everything got some pressure. So I might buy me another car this month. I just might. For real. But anyway, I really might, man. Yeah, I had a late thought call, man. This killing me, y'all. I like to have 3 running at least. And it kind of messing up my collab a little bit. But we still gonna make it do what it do. But it's all good, man. When life throw you lemons, you make lemonade. But anyway, I'm gonna get this thing uncovered. We're gonna get it tested. And y'all, I done showed y'all what this thing do in the road before, so I'm gonna tell y'all what it do. Called the road time is night and day different from the track time, so I ain't giving away nothing really. You can let your mind wander, but I'm gonna tell y'all what it do. I'm gonna show y'all what it do in the road, especially with the messed up transmission, and I'm gonna show y'all how much this will affect your ET. So there's gonna be an educational video too, so y'all just alright. Got this thing uncovered, man. Cold start for y'all. Got to run over here, do a quick little TNT, man. Mexico. We might make 2 hits, man. I think I'm gonna see what I need seeing too. I'm gonna get a little heat in the tires on one of them. The second one, I'm gonna just dry takeoff. Boy, she be talking. But let's get to it, man. I'm gonna tune in to y'all on the GoPro and the Dragon. Alright, y'all, check it in. So it's still shifting funny. Obviously, the second and third, two, 3 shift, pretty crazy. TNT, baby. It's TNT. What we got going on here? Might not be TNT. Oh, word. Let's see. Oh, dang. Killed my little TNT, y'all. Might go to another spot. Turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all. And play it off. Yeah, we're gonna go dry. The second shift ain't good. Got to mine. Boy, I don't know. Oh no. Yeah, they're ugly. We're gonna make another one. We're gonna make another one though. Get it turned around, y'all. Alright, y'all, take it in, man. Let's make another one. It ain't doing no good and doing no burnout. Shipping so crazy. Let's see. Alright, I'm trying to get us another one in right quick. Oh, I see from R&B early. Here we go. it's, you're able to deal with it when you just driving it. Still went decent, but it's all by a lot, cause I'm short shifting it because it climbing RPM and it holding. Like that joker, when I went first to second, man, it held, it stuck at 7,000 RPM. I had to come out the gas, get it to calm down, cause you know you don't want to just bounce it at 7,000, and it was just sitting at 7K. That's why I shifted it early, super early actually, to try to compensate for the rise and RPM went during the shift. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna turn y'all back on and get to the house. I kind of wish I had the drive now. I could leave it at drive and it probably wouldn't be so bad, but it's out. Can't leave it at drive, manual bell body, so got to shift. On the other hand, when I get a good transmission in here with the manual valve body, it gonna fly. But I'm gonna show y'all when we get back home, man. I'm gonna replay. I'm gonna put the dragon footage up so y'all can see that. Y'all just stay tuned. All right, I got back. Yeah, that transmission done. So it done got worse. It got worse, man. I don't know if it because the fluid getting warm, which is not hot, cause I ain't driving that far. It ain't even been running 30 minutes. But I got nice cool on it. But that joker first gear is gone. Ain't no first gear, man. I was going down the first gear, I was like, man, it feel like ain't nothing there. Then or it feel like it's in second. And it just go into second, and then it'll go to 2 to 3 shift. But it done got worse, man. So it kind of, I mean, if you're in the BCG Hangout, y'all basically, y'all know what I had planned. But this right here can't be a part of it. So I'm just down to 2, man. Which, I mean, it kind of threw my plans off. Cause now I got 2 down. Like, I ain't driving this no more. I am not driving this no more. The transmission working. Cause at this point, all it is gonna pollute the converter, man. I ain't trying to buy no other converter, man. I am not. On another note, boy, that paint, boy. I can't help, man. I have to stop, but I just get mesmerized by that paint, man. You can see it hitting on the hood right there. How it changed colors, and then it looked black down through there. J Hall did a crazy job, man. I think I'm finna start getting my stuff painted, man. Maybe the paint, man, I be in and out. And it ain't mechanical. It ain't mechanical, man. I won't have no problem with the paint. You just don't know what you're gonna get with this mechanical stuff, boy. I ain't been having good luck, man. I got 3, no, I got 2. No? Yeah, I got 3 down. I got 3 down, man. It's been a long time since I had three cars down at a time, whatever. But I'm finna put this joker up, man. Okay, so look, I'm about to roll the footage. I'm gonna roll the fur pad. All right, y'all, I had to start y'all back over. I realized I had the frame rate too low. But what I was saying is, I'm about to roll the footage of the test hits, and the first hit is an 870 something. I ain't even looked at the time myself at the time recording this. I just glanced at it. Second was an 860 something, I think. But like I said, y'all know, I done showed y'all before what this truck do in the road, cause I don't street race. I don't condone street racing. I do test hits. Y'all know that I test my cars out. Cause hey, you got to test your cars out. I do test my cars out, but I don't street race, man. I don't do that. I play around with people I know that I'm close with, my family stuff, just for content, just to help people out. But that's why, hey, I don't kill. And the track time is way different from what these cars do in the road. So it really ain't no harm, no foul in that. If you're in the Hangout, you already know what type of time that truck on. Cause I tell y'all everything. But I'm finna roll that footage right now. Boy, y'all, that transmission crazy. So y'all saw the passes on the Dragon. And they're with a bad transmission, man. That transmission is terrible. That transmission is terrible, man. That joker there is shot, boy. It done. It done, man. He got to come up out of there. But that's still okay for no transmission, no burnout, dry tire. And it needs some tires on it too, man. I need to be ordering some more radials. This time I'm not running with no Nittos, man. I'm running some MT radials. I ain't running with no Nittos. I really don't like them, honest. It spin them like street tires. But I can see it's gonna get better, or it's gonna be more violent when I get a good hot transmission in here, a good functioning transmission that's manual valve body. It's gonna be a dog. I can see that. But transmission cooked though. It cooked, man. It ain't got no first gear. It's just second and third now, so I can't use it for my collabs. I mean, I hate when my stuff don't go as planned, but that part of life, man. Life don't go as planned, man. It still don't happen all the time. So y'all gonna see when y'all see the collabs and stuff. I'm still gonna make some shape for y'all, man. It's just not gonna be what I originally planned, man. So it kind of throws stuff in the loop, and I gotta push everything back. But y'all still gonna see the collabs or whatever. I'm still gonna come up with some good content. I still got some backup ideas and stuff. So we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. But I'm finna put this thing up, man. It ain't nothing else to see. I'm finna put it up. I would not be driving it anymore until I can get the transmission out of it, cause like I said, it's just gonna pollute the converter. And I'm putting that converter back in there. I'm putting it right back in there. So yeah, y'all won't be seeing no brown coat. So we down to 2, man. That's why y'all gonna be getting R&B and John Jones content. And I gotta check on Dolo engine, man. But what I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna cash out. I'm gonna go to Summit and buy all the parts I need to build another engine, man. Cause I really got half of the stuff in there. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna run down to Lawless today, man. I'm gonna add Jesse's opinion on something, man. Depending on what Jesse say, depending on what I'm gonna do. But I might build me a backup engine, man. It don't take me all day. I can buy all the stuff at one time, build a backup engine, and then if something like that happen, man, I'm gonna stick that joke over in there. So that's it though, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.